What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the 2021 Mazda MX-5 Sport Venture Edition, and it returns to the popular Roadster range. Now, just like its predecessor, it's offered in deep crystal blue with silver detailing on the roll hoop covers and side mirror caps, complemented by a gray fabric roof, 16-inch bright alloy wheels, and light stone Napa leather interior. Now, the new MX-5 Sport Venture builds on the Sport convertible grade, retaining its 132 PS, 130 horsepower, 97 kilowatt, 1.5 liter engine and heated seats. Now, DAB digital radio, auto dimming rearview mirror, keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, and others go along with it as well. And only 160 units are destined for the United Kingdom, and pricing has been set to £27,615, equaling to $37,959. Now, speaking about the new model, Mazda's UK's managing director Jeremy Thompson said, when it comes to the driver engagement, the current generation MX-5 has already established itself as a benchmark sports car, and with the 2021 Mazda MX-5 and now the Sport Venture, we continue to offer one of the most exciting and satisfying drive cars money can buy. Now, joining the MX-5 Sport Venture is the £27,705, $38,083 MX-5 R Sport convertible, and it combines a polymetal gray metallic paint finish with a gray soft top and 16-inch gunmetal alloy wheels with burgundy Napa leather seats and silver stitching inside. Power comes from the same 1.5 liter engine, and the MX-5 range comprises of 10 specs, including 4 convertibles and 6 RF folding hardtop models. You'll have them in SEL, Sport, Sport Tech, and GT Sport Tech grades with 132 PS, 130 horsepower, 97 kilowatts at 1.5 liters, and the 184 PS, 181 horsepower, 135 kilowatts in the 2-liter active SkyActiv-G engines. But with that said, what are you guys thinking about the 2021 Mazda MX-5 Sport Venture Edition? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the MX-5 Sport Venture Edition also along with the MX-5 R convertible. Now, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below. We'll have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, where you can donate a couple of dollars or two to the channel, help support your boy. You can also check out the Patreon, be a monthly subscriber, or check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, also make sure you subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.